I don't care if it rains or freezes, as long as I've got my plastic Jesus riding on the dashboard of my car. G'day world, I'm Craig Jenkins. Welcome back to my channel, Bonneville Hydroblasting. Well, I'm back making videos due to popular demand, and today I'm going to blast the bejesus out of a cylinder and cylinder head that I think are Triumph parts. Not sure, because most of this old pommy stuff looks the same to me. Before I show you the bits, I'll give you a quick update on what's going on here. In a couple of weeks, I'm going on a business trip to Southeast Asia for a couple of weeks. Reckon I'll go in search of blasting consumables like glass and gloves and that sort of stuff. Also, while I'm there, I'll check out a very talented potential employee who I might just bring back as an apprentice if she looks like she can cut the mustard. And if you guys give me some positive vibes, I might even put together a couple of videos showing the blaster hard at work in Bangkok. Okay viewers, this is what we're starting with. We've got a cylinder here. It's in pretty rough shape. Always seems like a good idea to poke that screwdriver in there to get the head off, doesn't it? Till you break the fins off. I think we're all guilty of doing that at some stage. This one's had a bit of a mischief. It's let go in a big way and smashed those sleeves. The conrod's done some damage there, but old mate's going to replace those. But yeah, it's pretty cruddy. Looks like he's just got it out of the chook shed. And this cylinder I think's off a 750 or thereabouts. Not sure, but it's pretty ordinary as well. What I'm going to do with this is I'm going to clean it all up for the customer, blast the crap out of it, and then he's going to take it home and strip it, pull the valves and stuff out, and then he said he'll bring it back and we'll clean up the bits behind the valve springs and stuff and clean the rest of the valve springs up when he brings it back. We might start with this cylinder here. We'll pop that in the machine and give it a crack. Well, that's that cylinder after I've cleaned it up. It's come up quite nice, that. Customer will be wrapped. That's better than a bought one. Righto, we'll get onto this cylinder head next. I think we'll go and give that a squirt with the hose first to get rid of some of that chook shit and stuff.
I sent all my parts to Craig at Bonneville Hydroblasting in Victoria. I think he is the best blaster in the world, and he wears some really nice shirts.
Thanks for that. Hey, while I got your attention, I've been checking out my YouTube analytics. It says 90% of you bastards watching ain't subscribed to my channel. Come on guys, show the old blaster some love and push that subscribe button. Hit that thumbs up button while you're down there and make old mate here feel alright. Well, that's that cylinder head done. That's looking delicious. You wouldn't know that was the same part. I bet if old mate decides to turn this over now, he's probably going to quadruple his money. Well folks, there we have another successful outcome from Bonneville Hydroblasting. Done the math, 75 minutes for that lot. Thanks for watching. Check out my other videos if you get a chance, and look me up on Facebook. Drop a comment below if you think I should make a video on my upcoming business trip. Until next time, bye for now.